ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shillong, it's been too long. It's Ronan Keating and I am coming back to India. Finally, I will see you there at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 19.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. It's the way you make me feel. It's better than I've ever known.
Hadin baka Sorkar jala kelapin kutno ika company GVK EMRI na kabintaban Pynïaid yaki kaliket nongpang yaka bala tip kum ka 108 hadin bala dep ban khot tender ka Sorkar minta kan haban Jied yaka ba Biang tam na kabintaban Pynïaid yaki te yaki kaliket nongpang. Habe kran bikila pathai khubor ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo ka bade ka Menteri Sorkar bapet yaka tanat ka kot kakya kalaya thu babaro ki company bathap yaka te ka tender na kabintaban Pynïaid yaka 108 ki deban long ki bala shisha na kabintaban ai ka jing shakri. Shushu ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo kelapin pau baka Sorkar kan pintikna baki patba jong ka jela Meghalaya bat kinthop langru yaki nong tray 108 ki bla tray yaka neka kam nadu ki porba minchwa kin yo lang ka jingmentoy.
Under no circumstances is privy to information of a tender procedure. A tender procedure is being supervised by a tender committee. And we have a competent tender committee. What has happened in this bid, to my understanding, is the fact that bidders have become very competitive. All bidders feel that they are the most competent company to run the 108 service. Let me remind the bidders one thing. You are bidding in the state of Meghalaya not to serve a luxurious service. You are here to be committed to ensure that the people of the state of Meghalaya get the best ambulance service and life-saving opportunities as possible. We are not going to be distracted by this competitive argument between companies. We are here to select the best of the best. Allegations, submissions, counter submissions will not solve the problem. We are here to provide for the best ambulance service for the people of the state of Meghalaya. The 108 service has suffered several beatings in the past. And I will not be party to any irrelevant matter that will distract us as a state government to provide the most competitive service. Bidders amongst themselves are not bounded to interact freely in this competitive bid that they are engaged in. We want to make sure that the people of the state of Meghalaya, including the employees who have been engaged this far, get the best deal. HR to run a 108 service will require local participations, individuals. We have different kinds of workers in the 108 who need to not only be committed but also need to have the required skills to be a part of the 108 service. All of those skills will be accordingly evaluated and all of the bidders will be evaluated on a fair playing field. I will not indulge. I don't even know their names. It does not really matter to me. What is going to matter is that when there is a crisis, you are there to solve the crisis. You are there with your expertise from the outside to provide the necessary service that we need. There is nothing more that I would like to add. And I reiterate, the Honorable Chief Minister, the Council of Ministers, all of them ministers, we want one thing, that our people get the best ambulance services. We would like to see that ambulances reach every block. We would like to see that there is state-of-the-art technology that will connect an ailing citizen from the time they pick him or her from the house to the time they dispose them of or they send them to a medical team. What can we do for the people of the state of Meghalaya? Can we have a system where not only will the ambulances reach at the shortest time possible, but also travel in safety? We should ensure that there is safety for the workers, safety for the patient, and we do not want to get into a situation where you see very undesired accidents that have resulted in a lot of other negative ramifications. So my plea to the bidders, discipline yourself, wait for the selection procedure to be completed, and please don't go to the media again and again with your complaints, because your actual complaint desk is the committee. Go to the committee. Any complaint that we have received this far, as per the briefing I got from my officers, has been attended to. If X bidder is saying that Y bidder is like this and like that and like this and like that, we have sent it to the correct authority for its evaluation and substantiation. I feel that this is good, and I feel that the system that has been generated is pro-people. And as you bid in such a competitive ambience and atmosphere, don't forget why you have come to the state of Meghalaya. Come here to give us service, not to create this confusion which is very unnecessary and annoying. It's very distracting for a minister. And I will not engage, and I will not believe also that we will not select the best of the best.